Yes, sir. Let's put this question directly to Mr. Swamy. Sir, how do you look at this? You know, fact is that the court on your main petition of asking for Mr. Chidambaram to be investigated by the CBI, the court has simply reported back to the trial court.
Yes.
So is this a reprieve for Mr. Chidambaram? Is this a
No,
setback?
how can it be reprieve? Because the CBI's case was that he's innocent and he's not worthy of investigation.
Has the court said anything at all?
That I will have to read the observations. But what has come out from the court is that we are referring this to the trial court, where the petitioner here is also petitioner there, is a complainant there. So therefore, first of all, there was no question of a CBI inquiry being ordered now. The orders have been reserved there. Second, the court has not said the CBI is correct in saying that Chidambaram is not guilty. Third is they said the trial court can decide. So there is no restriction placed on the trial court at all. I consider this is the best order that is possible under circumstances. Supposing they ordered the CBI inquiry, certainly Mr. Chidambaram would have to resign. That's true. But the fact is that I would have to start all over again.
But the bottom line is, you know, I mean, BJP is already now, BJP is asking for the sacking of Mr. Chidambaram. They're saying that Mr. Chidambaram must resign. Bottom line is that at the end of it, this is status quo. The court has simply said that let the trial court decide the fate of Mr. Chidambaram.
There is no question of status quo. If the court had ordered a CBI inquiry, then I would have been in difficulty, because what happens to my all these arguments that I have made, I'll have to start all over again, wait for the CBI to come with a new report.
What is the point you will be making in the trial court, sir?
I don't have to make any point. The orders are reserved.
Okay.
And the orders are, they have to give a judgment.
And so the point that you have made in the past before the trial court, before the CBI court, is that not only should Mr. Chidambaram be included in the ambit of the CBI's investigation, he should also be named as a co-accused?
I have in the trial court only asked for him to be made a co-accused. And I made it clear that I don't want any inquiry in this, because all the documents that I have raised are sufficient. So naturally they will give a spin. I had said this morning also to your channel that it is not a question. I really need the court to say that the trial court take this up, because right now I have reached a stage where I don't need a CBI inquiry.
Okay, let's